best eSIM for visiting India. The signal is weak or non-existent in remote areas such as Elephanta Island, Nashik, and Jalan-Kabad, but is fine in other urban areas. I was able to use it without any problems. Because it and number 39, S and eSIM, the process is easy and great. It would be even better if there were more days and options. I used it for a 5-hour layover. When I arrived at my destination, it switched on immediately and I was able to use it without any problems. It connects perfectly. No problems at all. I purchased it the night before my flight the next day, and after I told them that, the QR code arrived in about an hour and a half. Although there were times when the connection was poor, it was generally just as usable as in Japan. I highly recommend it. It was easy to set up and there were no issues in cities like Delhi. It can be slow in rural areas, but that and number 39 is to be expected. I never had any issues connecting to trains in Varanasi, Agra, or anywhere along the way. Very sorry, mole way of installing the eSIM. The price was great as well. Day eSIM eSIM 2. eSIM QR. 100 km. Wi-Fi. I was able to use it in most of Delhi, Varanasi, and Agra. The signal gets weaker in the mountains and other remote areas, but that and number 39 is the same in Japan. I used it in conjunction with the hotel and number 39 's Wi-Fi, so it wasn't a number 39 a problem. It and number 39 's a good place for spiritual practice. I and number 39 they've been here 6 times. The weather is good this year. Very convenient eSIM. The signal is also very good in the local area. Recommended to everyone. The signal was connected immediately and I was able to live my life without any problems. Good and fast speeds with 5G. Fun and was really efficient.